Hello guys, welcome back. So, if your T-Mobile 5G gateway is not turning on or completely not working, it can be frustrating because your entire internet connection depends on it. When the device shows no lights or response, it may seem like a serious hardware failure, but in many cases, the issue is actually related to power supply, loose connections, or temporary system glitches. Sometimes the gateway may appear dead even though it just needs a proper reset or stable power input. Once you go through the right process, you can often bring the device back to normal operation quickly. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix your T-Mobile 5G gateway and get it powering on again. Try these. 1. Check that the power adapter is properly connected to the gateway. 2. Plug the adapter into a working power outlet. 3. Disconnect the power cable and reconnect it firmly. 4. Wait a few minutes to allow the device to respond. 5. Inspect the power cable and adapter for any damage. 6. Press the power button and check if the device turns on.